Hello everyone and welcome to today's section is developing a car game activity using Python. We will explore how to develop a car racing game using Pygame following a design thinking framework. In the design thinking framework can follow into the user friendly for technical and strongly built to the game for building a game for fun with the user-friendly techniques strongs. Is this the map for using representation of developing a game activity using into the Python programs? First, we empathize how to understand the user and game experience. For the beginner writing a single line of code, we need to understand what the player expect from the car game. The player wants smooth car movement, realistic speeds, simple controls, and obstacles or opponent for the attractive visuals and engaging sound effects and so on. The beginners in game development also want a clean structure for easy logic and understandable tools. Pygame help us for address these needs because it provides a build in models for the input controls and animations, graphics, sound and collisions detections and etc. So in this empathize stage, we focus on the player's experience and the developer learning needs. So next is define what exactly are we building. Now we define the core features for our car game. A basic car game usually includes a road or background, a player or controlled car, enemy cars or obstacles, then movement using arrow keys, then collisions detections, score or survival times, and game over the screens. These are all the Pygame tools to support the elements like a display, image, events, time clocks, split mixtures, and etc. These tools define our game structure and guide the upcoming steps. The next one is an ideate part for planning game mechanics and components. In this creative stage, we brainstorm the different ways the car game can functions. So that the ideas include the player can move left or right but not off the road. If enemy cars fall from the top on the screen, speed increases as the game progress. Then the collectible on the road, background scoring to shows the movement, sound when crashing or a speed. We also think about difficulty levels for the scoring systems and visual stylings by ideating multiple possibilities, but we need understand how Pygame tools can turn in idea into the real game futures, so that the prototype for the building car game using into the Pygame, we turn into the idea into the coding part. A simple car game prototypes like a tool. So the car race game can have into the prototype of the programs. This the demonstrates of the core mechanics. It displays car movement, even handlings and frames, rate control, etc. are included into the coding part of the prototype techniques. These are also same into the prototype. Then the output will be came into the testing our game. Is the car movement for the smooth or enemy car of the swapping correctly, and collisions detections works well. Then the game speed balanced, visual clear and attractive. Based on testings, we refine graphics, adjust controls and sounds, or add sounds and improve the challenges levels, etc. Testing ensures the game is engaging and error free. So using the design thinking framework help us to build the car game step by step. We empathize with the players, and then define the core mechanics, ideate the unique features, prototype using Pygame's tools, and test to improve the gameplay. This method ensures our game is both enjoyable and technical strong. Thank you.